In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make background transparent in GIMP. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a solid background and reveal clean transparency behind your subject. Start by opening GIMP, then head to the File menu and choose Open. Navigate to the image you want to edit and load it in. Once it appears on your canvas, we'll prepare it to support transparency. In GIMP, transparency is controlled by something called an alpha channel. Without it, deleting a background would just replace it with a solid color. So, look to the Layers panel, typically on the right side of your screen. Right-click your image layer and choose Add Alpha Channel. If you see that option is grayed out, that simply means your image already has an alpha channel and you're good to go. Next, we'll select the background. Find the Fuzzy Select tool, often nicknamed the magic wand, in the toolbox. With it active, click directly on the background area you want to remove. You'll see a dotted marching ants outline showing what's been selected. If too little or too much is selected, adjust the threshold in the tool options. A higher threshold tells GIMP to include more similar colors. A lower one keeps the selection tighter. The goal is to capture just the background without bleeding into your subject, so tweak that slider until the edges look right. Now press the Delete key on your keyboard. Instantly, the selected background should disappear and you'll see a gray checkerboard pattern where it used to be. That checkerboard is GIMP's way of showing transparency. Quick tip: if you don't see the checkerboard and instead get a solid color, that means the layer didn't have an alpha channel. Just undo, add the alpha channel as described earlier, and delete again. Zoom in to clean up any leftover bits along edges, corners, or inside holes like the space inside letters or between arms. Use the Fuzzy Select tool again. Click those remaining background pockets and press Delete. If you need to capture multiple tiny areas at once, you can add to your selection repeatedly. Take your time around detailed edges so you don't accidentally remove parts of your subject. Remember, in GIMP, the transparent background always appears as a gray checkerboard pattern, so use that as your visual confirmation. Once all the unwanted background is gone and the checkerboard is consistent behind your subject, you're done. That's the full process for making a background transparent in GIMP. Simple, precise, and reliable.